Olivia.
I'm Chloe.
And I'm Angelique.
And we're growing up without borders. And welcome into Bern, Switzerland,
The capital of Switzerland.
We're just visiting the downtown of Bern today, and we're gonna do something really cool. So we're gonna do what? The Foxtrail. This area here kind of looks neat. It looks like they have some live music that's gonna start playing and fun actions for the kids.
So today we're doing a Foxtrail. Basically, it's like a treasure hunt around the city, and we're starting here at the train station.
All right, let's go. I just love these little scavenger hunts that we do because you go through the city. It includes the trams, usually the transportation, and well, it's a great way for you guys to discover the city, and then the kids don't get too bored or anything like that, and we get to go around and see everything, and then it makes it so much fun.
There's the tram.
There it comes. Well, we didn't find an egg, but look at what we did find. This is really neat.
It's a vending machine for breakfast. You can buy your eggs, your raspberries, strawberries, cherries, bread.
Even they have bread, tres, and honey. Is it honey?
They've got honey and jam. What?
Yummy.
You have a breakfast.
They look really good.
Where's their
too.
tables?
Oh, yummy.
They've even got eggs. Why are they selling eggs? Okay, first step, we were already lost and confused, so make sure you read the steps correctly because we actually got off at the wrong bus stop. So, but now we're at the right spot, and so we think we know where to go.
Honestly, you guys, what does a fox smell like? We know what a fox sounds like. What does a fox smell like? We're looking for green boxes now because we have no idea. So the next thing you need to do is smell something, and if it smells like a fox, you go one way, and if it doesn't, you go the other way. So it doesn't smell like... Do you guys know what a fox smells like? It smells like a skunk. What's it smell like?
Lavender!
Lavender?
It smells like lavender. We're following the wrong path. You can see this way because it says go down. Go this way.
See how strong the current is here? That's amazing.
Wow, I don't know about going swimming here.
I'm surprised we haven't seen anyone floating by. Usually when it's hot out, you see bodies.
I see someone
You do?
right there ahead.
Oh yeah, way over there in a distance.
Yeah, there's people.
There's somebody like way down there swimming in a distance. Yeah, they literally float down the rivers here.
And that's where
There
you
comes a guy. Look at how fast he's swimming. Look, he's like going. Zoom.
Whoa. He's like,
That's good exercise. Look how fast he goes.
it's like a car.
Okay, so here's the big question. If the current is so strong and you're going down, how do you actually pull over to stop? Like, do you have to, like, you know, it might be tricky. You gotta end up going around and around and around. There we go. These guys are gonna jump in. Let's see this.
And off they go.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me high.
Cool about this Foxtrail is that you end up discovering parts of the city that you would have never thought existed, like a petting zoo right in the middle of their town. You just walk in and there's a petting zoo. It's crazy.
So wait,
Oh my gosh.
apparently you can go in where the goats
Apparently
are.
you can go inside. Gotta try it out.
I'm gonna go. Let's go pet some.
Help me.
I don't think you're allowed to pet them though. I think you're just allowed
Yeah,
to
you
do
can.
it.
It's a petting zoo.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here goes nothing. Dad, you coming? Apparently we're going to see some goats. There's one already. There's a goat right there. Stay, keep your hands, arms,
Yeah,
and feet
you
inside.
would never have this in America, like just out in the public. Anyone can just walk in and then you can interact with animals. Like, never. Only in Europe. I found another insect hotel here. So they've got it all set up for the insects, and then their playground is pretty sweet too. Check that out. Amazing. Only in Switzerland they give kids the matches for the next activity.
I'm gonna light you up on fire. So we thought it was just like this petting zoo area, but it's actually like this whole zoo where you can see bears and reptiles and sea lions and cheetahs and everything. So it's pretty big, and I think it's all like free, which is pretty cool. So here's some fun facts about Bern. Bern is its own canton, and it's in the Swiss German area, so it speaks Swiss German. And behind me is their flag. It's like has a bear on it because there's actually an area here where you can go see bears, which is pretty cool because it's like you can go see bears here. Hence the name Bern means bear, so they're known for their bears here. And if you want to tour the Parliament, because it is the capital of Switzerland, it's just down this street. So this is where you can come and see the bears. Time for an ice cream break. And behind us is Albert Einstein when he was younger.
Is it?
Yep,
Did he used to live here?
yep. I
Was-
believe so.
Is he Swiss? There's the Albert
No, he's
Einstein.
Austrian. He's from
Austrian?
Austria. No?
There's the Albert Einstein Museum here too.
Yeah. Maybe like he retired here.
It's basically his story. He was born in Germany and then he came to Switzerland in 1901 and became Swiss. There you go. I think we are the slowest people ever to do a Foxtrail in
We just
history.
went 2 stops somewhere, walked around. came
Yeah,
back.
but we also are stopping for ice cream and then we're looking at all the scenery and we're just
Getting a little
lottie-dottying.
confused as well. We're making our way.
It's amazing. So we came out of the elevator to this. People enjoying a nice meal, and it's just this beautiful garden area here. There we go. This is their famous clock here in Bern. A must-see when you come. Our day in Bern was short and sweet, and it took us forever to complete the Foxtrail, but it gave us a really good overview of the whole city center and a really nice tour. So this is the night version. I think they have a live band playing.
She holds the key to life. She's the bearer of the child. And she a ball out. Justice. We need some justice. We need some justice.
Thanks for watching our tour of Bern, Switzerland. Please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below. We'll see you next time. Bye.